my name's Evan Kenzie, and I'd like to welcome you to my free sick-submitter video training course. I'm going to show you how to get the best out of this piece of software. Sick-submitter really is a powerful way to get backlinks to your websites on your money sites. And in this first video, I'm going to show you an overview of the main screen. So along the top we have a series of icons, and first one being your login logout project. This is used if you wish to schedule a project and schedule some submissions. You can string various submissions together. Options, we have access to the folder on your computer which will hold all the data for sick-submitter. There's also a script debugger here as well. Internet options, to be honest, I never touch that. It is very well set up to use all of the right settings to run sick-submitter. So really is just leave it. If it isn't bothering you, don't touch it. Add-ons, we have a series of add-ons. Clear IE cookies would be get rid of the previous internet cookies from your previous submission. Verify proxy, if you are using proxies, which you don't have to, but if you are, by clicking this it'll verify that that proxy is actually working. Pop-up closer, self-explanatory really. With these submissions you tend to get a lot of pop-ups, and this automatically closes them, you really don't even see them. And Internet Explorer Killer will actually stop Internet Explorer opening whilst you're actually using this program. And download mail allows you to download any mail from the profiles. Global settings, that will give us the chance to integrate the best spinner. Just pull that over a bit so you can actually see it. Capture, you can actually enter your capture details. I use two. I use death by capture and deCAPTCHA. What happens with that is if one of them is overloaded, you can always switch to the other. And to be honest, they're very cheap anyway, so it's worth having two in backup because it saves you so much time. Keep alive will allow the program to click on your profile at set times, and in doing so will tell the administrator of that particular profile or that particular forum that you are alive and you're actually using the forum. Proxy Manager, again, Proxy Manager is a module where download proxies via the program, and it will allow you to test those proxies to see if they are decent proxies, and the bad ones you get rid of, the good ones you will move from over here to over here. Save and exit, and that will give you proxies to work with. If you're going to use proxies, I would always recommend that you get some private proxies which you can pick up fairly cheaply, or use a VPN and change the IP address regularly. The pinger module will ping your profiles that you've set up, and basically to tell the world that they're there. I prefer to use other programs to do that, which I will show you later. And the URL manager is the place where all of your profiles will go when you've set them up. So it keeps a record of all the profiles you've made, together with the keywords that you've actually put into those. You can then use this in the pinger part, or you can send it to whatever programs that you want to use it with. You would use it with your RSS. Basically what you have here is a record of every single profile you've created under whichever profile that you've created it with. Get packets, this is one of my favorites. I actually produce my own packets. However, when I started, I used this a lot. What you can actually do here, you can buy packets within the forum from different members of the forum, and you can also pick up free packets and free wizard templates that other people have posted. To be honest, it's a very friendly forum here. You will actually find there is a lot of free stuff on here, and it's a great way to get started. Not only do you get the free packets and templates each month, as part of your registration. But you also get people who have designed their own packets who will share them. Now we have how to actually create your first profile on these tabs. So if you were to click on the open button, it would actually give you your list of profiles that you've already created. However, if you want to create a new profile, you simply click on this button and it will give you the option to actually enter all the information within here and your email address and everything. It also allows you to set up captchas. If you haven't put in your global settings, it will set it up specifically for this profile, and it will also allow you to enter in any proxies which you wish to use here. Like I said earlier, I prefer to use private proxies, so I would put my private proxies within here, and they will be ready once I've enabled them, that is, to post profiles with. The next tab is the profile submitter. Again, there's a section where you would actually fill in all your details, your about me, your signature that you actually want to leave on the profile, the links that you want to use. It will give you an option to actually use just a standard link, a URL with a keyword attached to the end of that. Also, you can actually use advanced links where you can actually put in a range of links with a range of anchor text, which by the way is all spinnable, so you can have really as many different changes of anchor text as you like, as long as it fits in with the amount of characters that your list would go in here. You would click on register, either check mail or submit, or if you want to ping it or keep alive or whatever you want to do, that would all be controlled from this little box here. Within this box here will give you all the details of your particular list. It will also give you all the information within this box about which the list you're using, whether you want to use a display which is hidden or you actually want to see the profiles being created, if you're using a captcha or you're doing it manually, and it'll also give you the option if you want to actually create a link wheel, i.e. link all of the profiles together. And the next tab is the RSS submitter, which is very similar. Again, you fill in your information. You would create an RSS feed simply by putting in the feed name, the description, and put your URLs in. You would then click and that will create an RSS feed for you to submit. Then you click on the submitter and you can submit it from there. Directory submitter, again, is very, very similar. Information submitter. Article submitter, again, very similar, except for this one, put a bio box within here. You create the article, which is, again, spinnable, and which integrates the best spinner within there. And then you would submit it to a list of article directories which you would actually put in here. The bookmark submitter, again, very, very similar. You put your info in, and then you use the submitter to submit it to a range of bookmarks from a predefined list. And then last but not least is where you would actually put in your information. If you've scraped the profiles from, I don't know, using Scrapebox, or you've got them from any other place, you bought them or whatever you want to do, you would put your list in there. You would click on the type of template that it is, i.e. whether it's SMF or if it's a Plague or Scuttle or whatever, V-Bulletin. You would just list which ever it is, give it a name, and that would then move your list from here to within your data sets which you have saved in the program. Now that's a quick overview. In the next video I will actually show you how to set up your information and in the account creation part, and also how you would actually get ready to do your first submission. Anyway, it's Evan Kenzie saying bye for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.